For the institutions these institutions continue to produce and more the brilliance, resources, human resources in the days to come.
Myntri katanat Pule Puthi Rakkam A Sangma hakalai phau tarik Naiwieng jingkren jingialang pynkup burom ki samla kiba babha ki Eksamin HSSLC SSLC Jong St Thomas High Secondary School Pyndengumiong Mairang uloong baga Sorkar Jylla kalale bun ki babha Pule Puthi khot paidbah iatreilang kyntiew Pule Puthi khnang bagi samla ka Jylla kinpoi ki kyrdan bahajrong kiwei pat ki Jylla hakari India. Bynrap ru da kaboong, Meghalaya kalong ka Jylla ka pher namar nyopho hadu prapho persen habaro ki school kinong hikai ki David ki Kynthei. Kani ka pin ba kalaway ka Jylla ka don Kti Jong kinong hikai Kynthei ban sandur ya kalaway jong ki khun samla. Kalong ka ka bingi day ban sngaw sarong.
So may I request you again to kindly hand over the awards to Snow Halang Jarang.
About 5 crore per month for the St. Anthony College, Shillong. About 5 crore per month for the salary of the St. Edmund College, Shillong. About 4.8 or 9 crore per month for the St. Mary's College, Shillong. And to the many Bosco College across the state and many institutions. But there is always, it doesn't enough. There are many challenges. It's a endeavor of the state government to give the best in the days to come. Therefore, I want to request each one of you, let us reignite ourselves to restructure our brilliant minds of our students so that in the days to come, these children will be the pillar of our society, of our state, of our country. Therefore, my friends, Meghalaya state is a unique state, matrilineal state, and if I am not wrong, even today I see about 70 to 80% of the teachers are women, right? not only in the St. Thomas, in the entire education department, about 70 to 80%, the lecturer, the teachers, the professor are women. We are proud of it. Therefore, I am always used to say, it is in the hands of the women for the state of Meghalaya how they make things happen. How? Because the beauty of the family mostly is always in the hands of the woman. For the institutions these institutions continue to produce and more the brilliance, resources, human resources in the days to come. My dear friends, as we already said, the state fortunate to have the institutions like this, like St. Thomas High Secondary School, Mairang, the St. Anthony College, St. Edmund College, St. Mary's College. There are many colleges run by the churches, run by the different dedicated peoples. I'm happy today. This is the asset of the government, of the people, of the country.